Yes, we've got some major news within the crypto market, and does this mean as Bitcoin is finally going to break the $30,000 level? We're going to look at this news because yes, PayPal launches USD-backed stablecoin for payments. So we're going to find out what effect does it have on the markets, and could we finally see this bullish move towards the upside. But guys, we're also going to look at the charts of Ethereum and also Dogecoin to find out what we could expect in the immediate short term. So if you want to find out more, watch the video until the end, smash up the like button and subscribe, and most importantly activate the bell so that you always stay up to date. And welcome back to B for Crypto. And yes, before we're going to go over to the charts, we're going to look at this bullish news for Bitcoin. PayPal launches USD-backed stablecoin. So first of all, what could we expect for the broader crypto market? PayPal on Monday launched a new digital currency, PayPal USD, a stablecoin backed by US dollar intended to facilitate payments on its global online payment platform. Stablecoins are theoretically more reliable alternative to the famously volatile cryptocurrencies as they are pegged to the US dollar or other fiat currencies. PayPal USD is designed to make payments easier and open the door to more big brands getting involved with digital assets. It will soon be available on its peer-to-peer payment service Venmo. So first of all, yes, this is extremely bullish for the overall crypto market because this drives the adoption of Bitcoin and cryptocurrencies as a whole. So would I now go and deposit all my cryptocurrencies and my Bitcoin on PayPal? No. And why not? Because they're the custodian and they will hold all your cryptocurrencies and they can just even sell it behind your back. And that's why it is very important. Bitcoin and cryptocurrencies is designed so that you can be the custodian and only you have access to your cryptocurrencies and your wealth. So yes, first of all, this is extremely bullish for the crypto market because this will drive the adoption even higher. But let's go over to the next news, and yes, unlimited fiat and only 21 million Bitcoin. And this is really what you have to keep in mind. Dollar cost average into Bitcoin because yes, there are only 21 million. And just in, Cathie Woods on Bloomberg, if the SEC is going to approve a spot Bitcoin ETF, it will approve more than one at once. So we could see a massive pump towards the upside. And guys, yes, that's why I believe that at the moment we're at the extreme low for Bitcoin and we're going to see this massive push even higher. Because if we look at the charts of Bitcoin, on the 4-hour chart, we can see that we nearly reached this trend line, because on the weekly chart, we can see that Bitcoin perfectly bounced off from this upward sloping trend line, and at the moment we are exactly in these levels. We're getting all this bullish news for Bitcoin. But guys, ultimately what is going to be really important for Bitcoin is that yes, we're going to break the $30,000 level. So yes, this is going to be the next target for Bitcoin, is that we're going to break the $30,000 level. But on the 4-hour chart, we're going to turn on the moving averages, and at the moment we can see we have the 13 EMA, which is white, the 50 moving average, which is blue, and the yellow moving average, which is the 100 moving average, and the red one, the 200 moving average. So at the moment, yes, this is extremely bullish that the price movement of Bitcoin is back above the 13 moving average, because this could give us the indication that first of all we need to break the 100 moving average, which is round about this major resistance level where we also have this downward sloping trend. So at the moment we can see that Bitcoin is trying to break out from these levels. So if we're going to see this breakout, we could come all the way back up to the $29,700 where we also saw some previous major resistance. But ultimately the $30,000 is going to be our price target, that we're going to come back in this major range that Bitcoin was trading in, back above the $30,000 level, so that we could expect that guys, we're going to get this bullish move even higher, maybe even coming all the way up to the $33,000 level. But guys, my end of the year price target is going to be yes, the $50,000 exactly at this major resistance levels that we had in the previous bull market, where the price movement came all the way from the all-time high down to this major support, which is at the $33,000 level. We bounced and we came all the way to this level. So ultimately this is going to be my price target within this year 2023, that we're going to see this pump even higher. And if we're going to break this major resistance that has been forming from the previous bull market, we could expect a major bullish move towards the upside. And maybe the signal from PayPal is that we're going to see this move even higher. But guys, I'm ultimately going to trade this next move if we're going to break this trend line towards the upside, the 100 moving average, and maybe we're going to see a fake out, and then the price of Bitcoin is going to come back down to retest this downward sloping trend. and this is the moment I'm going to open my next trade. And if you want to trade all of these moves, guys, support this channel and go down in the video description below and sign up to FairDesk, OKX or even BitGet, where you receive a major deposit bonus, and this also supports you in earning some free cryptocurrencies. So guys, make use of this free money because this is really a win-win situation. So yes, over on the charts for Bitcoin, these are going to be our very important level, that Bitcoin is first of all going to break this downward sloping trend, and we could expect that yes, Bitcoin is going to come back above the $30,000 level. But let's go over to Ethereum to find out what is Ethereum at the moment doing, and we can see yes, we saw this fake out underneath this very important trend line that we also held for Bitcoin. But guys, we can see that Ethereum is forming this perfect round bottom. So yes, maybe we're going to see a little consolidation, maybe even retest the $1,800 level. But ultimately, as for Bitcoin, Ethereum needs to break out from this downward sloping trend. And yes, if we're going to break out from this downward sloping trend line with a retest, I'm going to open my next trade all the way up to the levels of $2,000, because yes, this is our major resistance that Ethereum needs to break towards the upside, and that we can see some consolidation in this range to expect a major move all the way up to the levels of $2,400. So yes, I could expect that this bullish news and all of these institutions, Spot, Bitcoin ETF, PayPal, X and OpenAI getting into the crypto industry will drive a massive adoption. But let's go over to Dogecoin to find out what is Dogecoin at the moment doing. And on the 4-hour chart, we can see that yes, we are still in this major support and resistance zone. And at the moment, we saw this fake out and we perfectly tested the 200 moving average on the 4-hour chart. So guys, I could expect if Bitcoin is going to break this major trend towards the upside and come all the way back to the $30,000 level, that we could expect this massive breakout for Dogecoin and this pump all the way up to the range high. So yes, I'm also going to open the next Dogecoin trade if we're going to break this trend line towards the upside. But before we're going to end this video, we're going to look at the dollar currency index. And yes, once again, we can see that the dollar currency index is trying to break this trend line towards the upside. But guys, as we can see, the 200 moving average is exactly at this major resistance. So maybe we're going to come back above this range all the way to the $103 level, and that we're going to see this rejection and come all the way back down. But guys, maybe we're also forming this double top for the dollar currency index, and that we're going to see this retracement even lower, because guys, ultimately the dollar is going to zero. So these are the very important levels that Bitcoin, Ethereum and Dogecoin needs to hold before we're going to get this bullish breakout towards the upside. And guys, if you want to find out more and always stay up to date, go down in the video description below and sign up to my free Telegram group. And guys, make sure to be for crypto, and we see each other in the next video.